So this is construction of 45-degree angle. Already we have constructed 90-degree. In the same construction, I am going to continue. So basically the arc QB you have to bisect. So for that you will take any radius more than half of BQ, draw an arc, then without changing the radius, with Q as the center, you will draw another arc and both the arcs will intersect at a point. Then you will join O with that point. So that point I am marking as R. Then you will join OR and you will get the bisector of angle POA. So angle ROA, this particular angle will be 45 degree. Angle ROA is half of angle POA, that is 45. Next we will be seeing construction of 30 degree. Earlier I had already constructed 60 degree. So I will be bisecting this 60-degree angle now. So angle CAB is what I am bisecting. So same process. When you bisect 60, you will get 30. So angle OAB, that is 30 degree. Now further, if I need to construct 15 degree, then I have to further bisect 30-degree angle. If I bisect 30 degree, I will get 15. So that means arc GD I am bisecting. So this AP is the angle bisector for angle OAB and that is 15. Angle PAB. Angle PAB is equal to 15 degree. So next we are going to see construction of 22.5 degree. That is question number 3. Second part, 22.5 degree. So 45 degree I had already constructed. Now 45 degree angle, if I bisect, then I will get 22.5. So again the same process will be followed for drawing the angle bisector of this 45 degree angle. So angle SOA, that will be 22.5 degree. This is question number 4, first part. For constructing 75 degree angle, now first I am drawing a baseline, that is OA. This is my baseline. Now next I am drawing a semicircle. This is for making 60 and 120. Semicircle, and then without changing the radius, you will cut two arcs, one after the other. So 60 and 120 angles you have got. Now this arc CD, if you bisect, you will get 90 degree angle. So next I am bisecting CD. Now this is 90. Now this 75-degree angle, this will lie exactly in the middle of 90 and 60. That means arc QC if I bisect, then I will get 75 degree. 75 will come exactly in the middle of 90 and 60. So then draw an angle bisector. That is, now I am bisecting arc QC. So this angle ROA, this angle will be 75 degree. Next we will see the construction of 105 degree angle. That is question number 4, second part. So again, first draw any base line, that is OA. This is the base line. Now extend it little on the other side also. Then with O as the center, draw a semicircle. Take any radius and draw a semicircle. Then without changing the radius, you will be cutting two arcs. Now bisect CD, that is to get 90 degree. So this is your 90 degree angle. Now you have to bisect DQ to get 105 degree. That is 105 will come exactly in the middle of 120 and 90. So you will bisect DQ. Now join OR, that will be the angle bisector. Angle ROA, this angle will be 105 degree. So angle ROA is 105 degree.